Prep test 69, game number 4, question 20, asks us, if exactly 2 people are assigned to case T, which of the following could be the list of people assigned to case R? So let's pull up our limited options here again, and if you don't know where they came from, either watch the setup video or pause this video and figure it out for yourself and hit play when you're ready to continue. So, what if we have exactly 2 in T? What does that do? So first of all, here we need to assign a second person, and if there's 2 there and only 1 here, then that means that there also have to be 2 here. The only people we have remaining to fill in are G and L, and it doesn't matter where they go. So that's a nice easy one to finish off. Over here, if you have exactly 2 in T, then if we refer to our LOs list up here, it means that we need to have a 2 and a 1 in our R and S columns here. And what could be which? Looks like we still have quite a few options for which one is a 2 and which one's a 1. So let's see if we can actually finish this question just using this diagram, because it says it could be the list in R. So right now we see that the list in R is just F. And unfortunately, that's not an answer choice. So we didn't get off the easy way. We have to come back over here and try it the tough way. So if there are 2 in T, let's see if we can arrange it so that there's only a G in case R. So G, we have our H. G is alone, so F needs to be with somebody. So why don't we place F right there? Oh, but right away we'll see that we won't have a place to put K. So let's pull F over to this side, place K right here, and place L right there. We have 2 people in T. We have only G in case R, and this seems to be working just fine. So let's go ahead and put a check mark next to it. But that's not quite good enough. Let's go ahead and prove why all the rest of them don't work. So answer choice B. Why can't we have only a K over here? Well, let me erase everything. If we have a K over here alone, then what that means is that we have to place F, G, and L. We need one of F or G to be alone, so we might as well place it right over there. And that means that 2 other pieces need to go here, and that breaks needing to have exactly 2 in T. So that one doesn't work. What if we put L alone in R? Well, L and K are interchangeable in this game, so if we just took the K out and put an L there instead, we would run into the exact same problem, which is that we would need to have 3 in the center so that F or G could be alone. Now, what about placing both G and K in the space R? Well, if we place G and K in space R, we have F and L left to place. F needs to be alone, and that's the only place it could be alone, but then we would have to put L here, and once again we would not have 2 in our T column. And you can probably already see where this last one's going, but if we put an L in there, we need to place an F and a G. One of them has to be alone, meaning the other one would have to go here, and once again we've broken the rule about having 2 in T. So E can be eliminated, and we feel all the much better that A is the correct answer.